Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create a named range in Google Sheets. So I think this function is very useful because this is to make it easier for us to work on the formula. So for example, select range and then right click, scroll down and select view more selection and select define name range. Just type name range, for example, click done, and now we try to calculate the total score from the range that we have named equals sum breakage. So now we don't need to highlight the range we want to calculate. Just type the name of the range, which is score brackets, and enter. That's it. So to make it easier for us to work on the formula. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.